Nice.
Hello there, my name is Dan and welcome to an advanced map making tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make customized scoreboards with color formatting and spaces in between the player names. Here's an example of this in my symmetry map, which is coming out soon. As you can see here, it says symmetry v1.1, it has color formatting and also the players, which wouldn't normally have spaces in by just running regular commands. Let's go ahead and create a world for this. Creative, super flat, void, barrier. And you can see this is a world full of entirely barriers all the way to the end of the world. What we're going to have to do to get this set up is firstly create a scoreboard objectives. So we'll do add tutorial dummy, and then the text that is here will be at the top of the scoreboard. So let's put example. Now currently, if we go scoreboard objective set display sidebar tutorial, nothing will show because there aren't any players. So we can do scoreboard players set, and this is where you'll set your custom name. So example name tutorial 0. As you can see now, it'll come up with that. You can't add any color formatting to that. You can, in fact, scoreboard objectives and tutorial dummy example text. You can still add spaces in vanilla. Even if you change it the way I'm going to change it, it will crash the game if it is longer than 32 characters. So let's get into changing it. As you can see, it says example text, example name. If we save and quit to title, go into single player again, click on that, and then edit, open folder. So then you need to go into data, and it should be in scoreboard.dat. Now, I'm going to use a .dat application for this. I'm using MBC Explorer. You can get any other program, but this is the one that I use. It's an external program, of course. Then we can go into this data right here, and here's where it is. So in the objectives, we will have the name of the thing. You see I named it tutorial as the ID, and then the display name is example text. Click on this, and then I have this. You can get this at a website that I'll put in the description. I'll also put the actual thing in the description. Copy and paste that in. Then you can put a color code on it, that's yellow, and then you can name it example text, and then just hit OK. You can name it whatever you want, put whatever colors are in there that you want. I'll send a link in the description box for the link to the color formatting page. So now we'll want to edit what's underneath that. So it currently just says example text as the title of the scoreboard, what's right on top, but now I want to add scores to it, which will be what the text comes underneath. So as you can see, it's applied to the objective tutorial, which is this, and the name is example name. Now this is where we can add spaces, so I'm going to make it gold, and I'm going to say this is an example name. And there's spaces, there's a color code and everything. So let's save that. Then we can click save over here, and then we can go back into the world. Here we are again, and as you can see on the sidebar, it says example text in yellow, and then this is an example name in gold. You can do this for more than one if you want to. Oh yeah, make sure you always save and quit while you're editing, otherwise it will overwrite. The easiest way to add another one is to click on the thing where it says 4 entries, copy that, however you want to do that, Control C, then you click on player scores and you paste that. And the larger the number is, the higher it will be on the objective sidebar thing. And also, this one right here has to be different, so this can't be the same, otherwise it won't work. If you do want to be the same, like the lines that I had in between each text on my map, then all you have to do is add something like an and r to the end, which will just not change any of the text, but it will differentiate in the actual game. So we can click OK, save that, go back into the game. As you can see here, now there are 2 of the same one. That one says 1, that one says 0, but they're both the same thing. And yeah, you can continue doing that for as long as you want. You can do it for multiple things. And yeah, that's just about it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more of this content, then be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!
Into the mouth. Nice.